Now, again, from what we did in year 7 and 8, we did lots of work with parallel lines. So, and what are parallel lines? Well, they're two lines that go on forever that never and never meet. So they're always in the same plane and never meet. So when we cut them with another straight line, we call it transversal. We get some nice things happening. Now, we don't need these types of angles to have parallel lines. We have alternate corresponding and co-interior angles when these exist. But nice things happen when they're parallel, such that alternate angles, so two lines cut by another line, when the angles on either side here are equal when these lines become parallel. When we have these lines being parallel, the angles in the same position here become corresponding. And the angles in between the two lines and the transversal are co-interior, and they end up adding up to 180 degrees. So a number of ways you can prove that, but we can get more than one lot of parallel of alternate angles. They're alternate. Okay, these ones are corresponding here. So we get lots of different uh, corresponding angles, and these ones would be co-interior as well. So those two would add up. So you get two pairs of co-interior, two pairs of alternate, and four pairs of corresponding angles. You did all that in year 7 and year 8. You've got to remember and be able to use those three terms. So for example, when we're looking at a problem like this, so we've got to find y here, and we've got to give reasons why. So let's start. We know that ABC is 78 degrees. That's 78 degrees because they're alternate angles. And I've mentioned the parallel lines here. And the reason I've mentioned it is because there's three parallel lines. But the AB and CD cause those two to be alternate. Angle ABE then is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees because these two are co-interior. So AB, and because of AB and EF. So notice the different parallel lines give us that solution. We also know that angle ABC is made up of CBE and ABE. So the 40 plus Y would equal 78, leaves Y being equal to 38. So there's our reasons why, and we've got to be able to state those why. You just can't do that without giving those reasons. You won't get full marks. It's a proof. It's not a complete proof. It's not one that we're looking for. When we're looking for the complete proof, we need more information. So just be wary when you're doing a problem like that, is that you have to give those reasons. And it's a good idea to mention what parallel lines you're dealing with, especially when you have more than one pair of parallel lines. Again, we want to avoid ambiguity. Are students meaning this? Are they meaning something else? That's why we use complete words. I'm not using symbols except for the parallel lines here, and that's okay. But I'm not using a little angle symbol here, like co-interior angles. No, don't like it. We don't want to see it. So make sure you write the word angles here. Happy to see angle ABC, that's no problem, but co-interior with just that little symbol by itself, not good enough. Just be wary.